How to change Netflix reason to another country. So first of all, if you get on your Netflix and simply tap on your profile name right here and get into app settings, here even if you do search for changing your region or country, you won't be able to find here, because I have to tell you guys that unfortunately there is no specific settings of changing your region or country in the Netflix itself, right? So instead what you can actually do is use any sort of a VPN. So for now I have a Turbo app named Turbo VPN. I can simply change my country or region through this VPN. Just like this, you can now use any sort of VPN that you want, right? So after changing your country or region through your VPN, just like this, you can now open your Netflix, and then from there you'll be able to watch any sort of movie or shows that you want on Netflix that is currently not available on your own region. So yeah, that is it. This is how you will be able to change your Netflix region to another country.